Yo guys, it's Windows Fixer. Over the last few weeks, I've been exploring Higgsfield, the fastest growing AI platform. They just announced Cinema Studio 2.0, their cinematic AI video generator for creating professional AI filmmaking clips. And today, we're going to explore it together. I ran a small test clip just to see how it works, but now, with proper images and workflow inside Cinema Studio, you can actually create a proper cinematic clip. We'll go step by step. First, let's check out this test clip, and at the end, I'll show you exactly how I did it. Now with this much control, I'd say you could literally create an entire film. I know this video looks simple at first glance, but you wouldn't believe I made it using just 2 prompts. The first prompt goes into Cinema Studio to create your first frame, and the second one is used inside the studio for further generation. I didn't even use all of Cinema Studio's features here, just a few, but I want to share all the key features one by one and explain how easy they are for beginners. Let's start with the photo section, where you generate your first frame. Here, I didn't specify a character because I wanted to test the AI's flexibility, but that doesn't mean you can't create your own character and then generate frames around it. Next up is the grid tool. I used it for a quick test, but honestly, it's better to use fewer grid options if you want cleaner results. Since you can generate videos up to 12 seconds long, putting too much into the grid at once makes it impossible to get a smooth clip. That's just a limitation of the current version, not the AI itself. I'll show you exactly why when we move on to the video generation process. Okay, now if you have your own character, just click the plus button and upload your images. And here's the coolest part. If you're working on a series, like an anime or any movie, keeping a character consistent is normally tough, right? Not anymore. Just click this at button and upload your character images from different angles. Cinema Studio will use these to maintain your specific character consistently across shots. For example, here's what I did. I uploaded my images, gave my character a name, and even described it, like a girl standing on the street with wolf-style hair, wearing blue jeans and a black high neck. This helps the AI understand your character and keep it consistent throughout the sequence. Now, once your character is recognized, you can simply mention your character and adjust its emotion. These emotions, anger, joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, disgust, hope, and the AI keeps them consistent per shot. This makes it perfect for cinematic AI video and professional AI filmmaking projects. Since we know now that Cinema Studio can handle identity, emotion, and character consistency really well, it's time to look into the video side and explore it. In the video section, everything is simple but advanced at the same time. The first thing you'll see is the director panel. Just like we discussed earlier, you can upload your character or building details to maintain consistency across shots. Next up is movement. This controls your camera, static, handheld, zooming in or out, or following the character. Cinema Studio has all these predefined camera movements built in, so you don't need to worry about complicated settings. Then comes ramp, which is super interesting. Ramp works like speed control in CapCut. You can slow things down, speed them up, or keep linear motion. In simple words, you can tell the AI whether you want an action shot, a slow-mo, or a fast-paced sequence. Duration is next. You can generate clips up to 12 seconds long, and you can also shorten them if you want. Now, let's talk about shots. You can choose single shot, multi-shot auto, where the AI decides the best camera angles automatically, or multi-shot manual. Manual gives you full control over camera movement, clip length for each shot, and lets you combine multiple shots seamlessly. All these shot types should be explained in your prompt. The AI generates the breaks, and then you can refine your prompt further. Next is ratio. Pick based on your platform, like Facebook or YouTube. Resolution has two options: 720p or 1080p. You can also choose the genre of your content. General is the default and most flexible, but if you want something specific, you can pick action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, or spectacle. Voice options should be on, because Cinema Studio generates audio perfectly in sync. Foot sounds, indoor ambiance, outdoor environment sounds, and you can even type the dialogues, so your character will speak them really well. It handles all of that automatically. Then there's batch. This controls how many video results you want to generate at once. In my test, I picked 2 clips to show, but one of them failed for some reason. That can happen sometimes, especially if you're on the trial plan like me. And now, the big one: grid. Yes, in 12 seconds, you can throw in thousands of action grids, and the AI will generate them seamlessly. You can either generate fewer grids or crop your grid into smaller sections, like 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. It's up to you. Finally, once your character is recognized, you can include them directly in the prompt and describe the scene however you want. In my scene, I simply put these prompts. And the result is right in front of you. I'm not a prompt expert, as you've seen in my previous content, but this AI is really friendly. Whatever you imagine in your mind, you can turn it into a clip. Just stay positive. Don't go crazy. If people use it wisely, it's easy to start building a career in the creator space. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. Go check it out. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI platforms, offering some of the best AI models you can get right now.